Kara ashoborire ngo abana abariko batano abariko w'Abaakoziregye omugomborora harimo abishiki bashatu na naboje bashatu nibo bari kutunga imifariso ya buri mwana ko muringo gumwe ubwo kureba ngo batungure byo bwegese na no kwera habazire.
Abana bo duhaga impano na abana bari mu mashuri ga UPE nangasi amashuri ga government. Icya kabiri dutoranyagamo abana batsinze ku rwego rw'igomborora.
Ubwiyasima abazire ahabo kureba ngo bataho amani omukushemesa abana kugira ngo babase kureba ngo bagire ko batungura district.
Ababyeyi mwebwe bigisha babana bacu ba mbere mukomezemo kubashiramo ubwo mutima go guma mu shuri no mu rugo mugire kumvikana ho n'umugore kaho yahoze ari kubivugaho mwumvikanye nta kirananirana n'umwana arumva nanjye shaka kuba nka data.
Kurigirira hari Ruth Buka wabajekire mukuru w'Ebya mu district ya Kisoro nagira ngo ekitumira abana bingi bagwa neshonga yo kosha bakabura kwega.
Some did not perform to the expectations. We cannot forget to say that. Somehow, somewhere, it's not what we wanted. But there are different or many reasons to why. And the number one is the high rate of absenteeism. You find the child who comes today, those who attend this week, it is not the same number which will attend the coming week. The one present today, tomorrow will be absent.
Alex Nambajima ori vice chairperson wa district ya Kisoro nagira ngo kitumire abana batakora kurunji nahabo kujiro mirimo eyo bari gukora kwena ngo batunge sente.
Kisoro district yabo ya 61 ariko ubushize yari iri mu district hari nk'icumi za sente ubariye district zo tufite mu gihugu cyose.
Meya Richard Indiana wa Kisoro municipality hasimire minister Sarah Mateke abo kufayo ahakushagika ebyo bwegese.
Ngira ngo mwewe nanje nabandi turakomeza turamushima kugeza iteka ryose. Abagiye kubikora mugire gute? I cannot interpret it, but you can interpret it yourselves. So, none nkaba ngushimira minister, ngushimira gushigikira education mu district yacu Misara DC. The honorable minister started a university here, and the university has many branches in Uganda, in Mbarara, in Kampala, Bushenyi, the Metropolitan International University, and I was the first coordinator of the university. Yes. So, the first coordinator of that university when it started. Honorable Minister has continuously given, how do you call them? The instruments, the mathematical instruments and the like.
Umuganda garinkago omushobuze Emmanuel Toalan ahire emifariso ahabana abatungire grade yo kubanza abakisoro municipality kandeji ojiba kwasize ni James Ndahiro ori LC3 owa Southern Division.
Ubwo mwaka ubwo butumwa nibwo mutware tuwarandi Emma Maniraguha yadutumye kugira ngo tubagezeho kandi ibihembo byo gutanga ntabwo arangije ubu ngubu ahubwo yatubye ngo tubabwire ngo ni bya buri umwaka
Makuraga gashakwa Adonia Tuheire ahabwa Sky